Hello guys, what's up? Back again. Tony Zilla here. How you guys doing? And today I want to show you some of my collection again for you guys. And this one is from Wandery. Yes. Well, I will show you more all on the details in the table for you guys to see it. And let's go. Alright guys, so these are the figure. Alright, as we'll know, this Wandery head sculpt was a little bit different as well. As we can see that she looks like a little kid, a kudos, not like a adult figure, adult female. She's a very young, Caucasian female, and she looks really cute. A little bit like a classical doll, more than a modern doll. It's more like classical doll that I don't know what's the name. BGD dolls, something like that. Probably correct me if I'm wrong. But for me myself, the head sculpt itself, it's a Wandery figure have a taste sculpt. The sculptor artists have a taste like a, how do you say it, classical doll. I think they want to make something like that. And here's the thing, when I have this for quite some times, I'm really having a problem to find the perfect body one for her. But and then she also have a movable eye, so we can remove the hair. There's an instrument inside. Well, as you know that I don't quite really like moving their eyes, because one time I tried to move her eyes to look in every direction, and then I'm having a problem to put it back like it used to, so the eyes like going everywhere, looking everywhere. That's kind of bummer. So in this case, finally, after for quite some times, I think a couple of years, I guess, finally I tried to put her on this plastic, very cool body. I know, I don't think that people want to do this, but this is my kid bash. I want her look like a, calf woman, a spy girl. But here's the thing, if you want to use her on TB League, I recommend you something like a teenager body one. But in this case, if you're using this one, we all know that you're having a problem with the ball joint. That's the same thing what happens, because I've been keeping this head sculpt for quite some times, and then I want to try it here. Suddenly, whew, yep. Let me give you a try for you guys. And yeah, I think it's so really nice. As you can see that it looks really nice if you can put it sit right here. Well, I can do a little bit modification inside of the neck to put it here, but I don't know, because I'm not really into a big fan of the teenager body one. But I know that TV League also has been released the newest body, I think the teenager body one, but the normal size for the ball joint. I think they have that now. So if you have this head sculpt, if you love this head sculpt, like what I did, because I haven't found the perfect body one for this one. So this head sculpt just sit on her box for quite some times, until right now. I think 4 years or 5 years. I think I keep this head sculpt. So, so in the time being, I know I have this very cool body. As we all know that she have so many joint that's showing. So what I did was I put her with this kind of style clothes. Why? Because when I'm look at the body, it's slimmer, it's tinier. So I decided want to try on this one. And hold up, as you remember, I also have the Jiao Doll one that I've been using, I've been showing you recently on my past video, and this is what I'm going to try to show you guys. Right, so in this one, actually this one is fit as well, see that? But as we'll know that she has a very different type of skin, because the head sculpt itself, it's very pale, but the body was, you know, very suntan. So yeah, I really wish they have the pale one for this, because this one is look really nice though. But if you want to use this body, you can, you know, remove this clothes to cover all the body, and then you can use this body. Here's the thing, I'm sorry guys, I really don't know what the type of this Jiao Doll body. This Jiao Doll body, I got it from SW Toys, Jill Valentine. Yeah, so if you like this Wondery head sculpt, you can use this body, but you know, just do the same trick like what I did, you know, like put this clothes on, because yeah, the skin color is very different. Yeah, it's too bad actually. If this one really can match, actually, the Wondery, this one have the, you know, the suntan one, so it will match the body on this. But since I have the pale one, so I'm really having a problem to find the perfect body on for her. Yeah, so after years and years, so I'm going to put her in here. You know, this is just a temporary for you guys to see it. And yeah, you have to push it, get another pressure to get more lower, because if don't, the head will stick a little bit up and it will look so weird. But I don't know, when I'm look at this, you know, it's quite okay, right? It doesn't look that really bad. Even for me myself, the body was a little bit too big, a little bit, but not really big, but still a little bit, just a little bit not match. But I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think that this is okay or not? If so, in my opinion, if you have this, you know, I think some of collectors out there who have this head sculpt, they probably giving up, you know, like, oh, this head sculpt doesn't match with any type of body, especially if you want to use Fisons and all that, so that's gonna be a problem for you. But here's the thing, I think Fison lately has been released the teenager body one, but with the normal ball joint, I think that's a really match for her, because as we can see that I already tried on his and it looks really good. But yeah, well, I think that is my conclusion. If you really love this head sculpt, you know, if you really like this, I think you should not giving up on her yet. Just wait until you found the TB League body for the teenager body with the normal ball joint, or probably you can using you know, a little bit modification, like you put the standard ball joint first and then you put the head sculpt and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, it is what it is. So this is just a quick video, a quick collection for you guys to see it if you have this wonder, because you know, I really like this head sculpt. You know, it looks really nice. It has a different kind of style to it. It has a classical looking, but yeah, I'm having a problem to find the perfect body for this one. So this is just my short video for her. But if you want to make her something look like this, I think it's okay. What do you guys think? Just make sure the head, you know, not a little bit too high or too short. And I think, yeah, I think it's okay. Spy girl. Yep. So I guess, yeah. What do you guys think? I think she looks really nice, right? Yeah, but probably you're going to, a problem for, if you want to put her half naked. I think fashion's still the best solution as always, but you're going to having a problem if you want to keep this head sculpt, right? But you just have to wait. Probably next month I will get her to get into the teenager body of Fisons for you guys. Alright? I guess that's it. Nah guys, sekarang kita balik lagi nih. Nah seperti yang gue bilang tadi ya, ini head sculpt dari Wondery ya. Dia ini sebenarnya ada banyak dan gue punya beberapa. Dan yang ini waktu gue dapet ini gue mengalami masalah, yaitu gue nggak bisa nemuin bodinya, karena dia nih kalau lu lihat sendiri dia nih kudos ya, apa anak kecil ya, bocah gitu, ketimbang ke teenager gitu, mukanya imut gitu deh. Jadi waktu itu waktu gue dapet, gue nyoba kan waktu itu kan gue juga mainnya masih baru ya, belum inilah koleksi gue belum banyak gitu. Gue udah nyobain ke beberapa body, terutama yang TB League ya. Gue nyobain ke body yang S10D ini yang favorit gue. Ini pernah gue cobain, nah gue tunjukin juga deh ke kalian. Nah, ini di sini ya. Nah, di sini nih nggak tahu, kalau buat gue pribadi, gue ngelihat apa ya, nggak cocok aja gitu. Kayaknya badannya terlalu besar gitu. Lagian seperti yang lu lihat juga, dia punya neck joint udah gua stretch ya, jadi sedikit nggak tau kalau menurut lu cocok nggak. Kalau menurut gue sih pribadi sih nggak cocok ya. Nggak tau, kepalanya kelihatan too small aja gitu kalau menurut gue ya. Nah kemarin gue juga udah coba ke body yang Jawdol tuh. Nah kalau itu sebenarnya dia cocok banget ya, cuman ya itu dia sayangnya guanya nggak punya yang warnanya pale, sedangkan padahal ini juga dia ngeluarin kepala yang suntan, tapi gue punyanya yang belang, jadi ya nggak cocok. Nah seperti yang gue bilang juga kemarin, sebenarnya dia itu paling cocok pakai body yang kudos ya, yang bocah nih, kayak lu kalau masih inget figure gue yang ini ya. Nah ini sebenarnya dia cocok banget pakai ini, cuman perbedaannya seperti yang gue bilang, dia punya ball joint tuh, yang itu yang kemarin gue buat videonya itu, dia punya ball joint itu terlalu kecil, jadi it doesn't fit. Nah sampai akhirnya gue menggunakan kembali body plastik ini, yang mungkin semua orang nggak terlalu suka. Ini body dari Very Cool ya. Ini udah gue gear up, ini badannya gaya-gaya. Karena gue konsepnya kayak apa ya, kayak thief girl ya, kayak spy girl gitu, makanya bajunya gue buatnya kayak begini ya, pakai boots, terus pakai baju kayak Catwoman. Gearnya juga nggak terlalu banyak ya, cuman belt seadanya aja nih. Terus dia pakai kayak grappler, pakai rope gitu. Nah pas di sini gue cobain, dan ini lumayan ya, dalam arti lumayan, nggak perfect sih, cuman menurut gue lumayan nggak kebesaran, tapi juga nggak terlalu ya, ada sedikit yang kalau menurut gue pribadi masih kurang fit sih. Tapi don't worry ya, kayaknya TB League ini kan juga udah ngeluarin body yang baru ya, yang teenager, tapi dia punya ball jointnya tuh besar. Itu kayaknya ada di tipe yang ini ya. Nah itu gua rasa itu akan fit deh untuk kepala yang ini. Nah jadi menurut gua kalau kalian masih punya, karena nih head sculpt-nya bagus ya, kalau gue bilang sayang gitu kalau di give up, karena gue yakin juga ada beberapa kolektor temen gue yang dia udah give up gitu. Dia kayak, wah ini gue nggak bisa deh nih bro, gue pengen pakai di TB League tapi badannya nggak ada yang cocok buat dia gitu. Akhirnya sama dia digibain, jadi dijual. Terus kebetulan gue masih punya ini, masih gue simpen setelah kurang lebih 5 tahun ya. 5 tahunan ini cuman kepalanya gue simpen aja di boxnya. Terus dan gue nggak nyadar tiba-tiba gue udah punya berbagai macam body TB League. So I decided tuh coba-coba ya. Dan sebenarnya buat gue sih sebenarnya tetap yang terbaik itu dipakein ke body yang kids ini ya, yang biarpun gue pribadi sebenarnya bukan tipe penyuka body yang kids sih, gue lebih suka yang adult ya gitu. Tapi ya gitulah. Nah ini udah gue konsepin nih, dia kayak Spider tuh ada Peter Parker lagi duduk di situ ya. So di sini gue ngebuat dia stylenya kayak spy gitu, spy girl, Kenapa gue pakai spy girl? Karena sebenarnya ini body very cool. Seperti biasa dia banyak joinnya ya, yang mungkin orang-orang tergantung dari kit base-nya juga ya, mau buat model kayak gimana. Ada yang bilang dia lebih prefer selalu pakai T-Bilic atau yang seamless buat customnya. Tapi kalau gue tentu seperti biasa gue balikin lagi, kalau gue lebih prefer ke bagaimana head sculpt-nya cocok sama bodinya gitu. Nah ini kalau gue sebenarnya gue gue juga sebenarnya kurang srek sih, karena ini bajunya tight ya. Mungkin kalau bajunya kayak army pakai baju yang agak-agak longgar, mungkin kalau dipakein body plastik kayak gini sih keren-keren aja gitu, nggak kelihatan gitu. Tapi kalau ini kan bajunya ketat ya, jadi kayaknya sayang gitu, masih kelihatan gitu loh gap-gapnya tuh. Di sini kelihatan banget ya di bawah chestnya. Terus kalau kita lihat ke backnya tuh ada ini gapnya nih, kelihatan banget. Emang nggak enak sih, kalau bagusnya tuh kalau baju ketat tetap dipakein buat body yang kayak seamless, yang kayak T-Bilic atau yang kayak Visons. Kalau yang kayak kalau pakai baju army ya nggak apa-apa, tapi kalau mau pakai Visons pun juga nggak masalah sih sebenarnya. Cuman kalau gue balik lagi ya, seperti yang kayak kemarin gue filmin, untuk koleksi gue yang ini, gue prefer mau yang cocok sama head sculpt-nya, karena nih kepalanya dia kayak anak kecil. Gue rasa ini mendekati sih, biarpun menurut gue masih nggak terlalu sempurna ya. Karena kalau diperhatiin banget sebenarnya badannya masih agak sedikit terlalu besar. Tapi nggak tahu juga sih, ini cuma pendapat gue doang sih. Ada yang bilang mungkin udah lumayan, apa enggak. Nah, terus ya kayaknya sih ini simple banget ya, karena mungkin nanti kalau gue udah punya body yang tipe ini, dan kalau misalnya itu cocok, nah jadi ini dia bisa gue maininnya, bisa gue swap ya ke body yang itu. Dan kalau gue pengen dia pakai baju ini, ya kayak gini aja, ini juga menurut gue lumayan sih gitu, kayak gitu. Ini dia pakai kayak apa sih, spy gitu, yang bisa climbing with the ropes and everything gitu. Nah, ini jadi kurang lebih kayak gini. Nah ini yang ini gue juga keselnya kadang-kadang sama rambut rooted tuh kayak gitu, karena gue terbiasa dengan action figure ya, yang kalau megang kita bisa cuek, sedangkan kalau rooted hair tuh terkadang rambutnya jadi berantakan ya, slightly jadi kemen sama Barbie sih. So anyway, kurang lebih ini kit besan gue ya, buat si Wonder yang ini. Dan I think I like it, biarpun simple tapi tetap oke gitu. Dan gue rasa nggak harus semua kit base harus selalu seksi ya, bisa pakai gaya apa aja sih semau kita. Nah kalau ini gue pengennya dia lebih kayak cat girl atau spy girl, apalah sebutannya, you name it guys. Alright, so I guess that's it. Alright, ntar gue bakal masukin video shortnya yang dia gue post-postin mungkin lebih dengan beberapa aksesoris lagi. Alright, here we go. Nah, so that's it guys. I think you guys see it. What do you guys think? Some of you probably gonna like it, or some of you probably did Kit Bash way much better than I do. But I would love to see a Kit Bash from this Wondery head sculpt, especially the teenager one, because it's very hard to find the perfect body for her. But I think the plastic one from Very Cool, this one, I think it's close enough. Well, not perfect, but I think it's close enough. I think the teenager body will be great on her, especially the seamless one, if you want to make her look sexy, or less clothing, but it is what it is, right? So jadi ini kurang lebih kayak gitu ya guys. Ini salah satu koleksi gue yang paling lama banget jadinya, dan kayaknya baru kali ini gue punya kesempatan untuk nyelesain ya, biarpun nggak perfect sih, nggak sesuai apa yang ada di kepala gue, karena awalnya gue pengen dia pakai body seamless, tapi ternyata gue belum punya body seamless yang cocok juga. Dan seperti yang lu tahu, gue punya body yang teenager itu baru satu ya, ada dua, sorry udah tiga, cuman ball joint kepalanya ternyata itu kecil-kecil, jadi nggak match sama figure yang ini, yang dari Wonder ini. Jadi I think kayaknya gitu aja deh ya, udah semua. Ntar gue bakal tunjukin koleksi gue yang lain. Please give a comment, kasih jempol, subscribe. Buat teman-teman yang suka action figure atau 1/6 scale ya, terutama female 1/6 scale, ayo komen, bertukar pikiran atau apalah segala macam. Jadi bakalan seru deh kalau misalnya bisa dijadiin sesuatu yang bisa diomongin di sini. Well, ini buat buat teman-teman yang mungkin udah pernah subscribe aku gara-gara aku suka play akustik ya. Pertama gue mau bilang, gue sorry banget karena seperti yang udah gue bilang kemarin ya, di video kemarin itu ada masalah copyright ya. Nah itu gue masih belum tahu sampai kapan, tapi gue udah rilis satu lagu gue itu di Spotify, lu bisa cek. Terus mungkin bulan ini ya, tungguin aja, follow Instagram gue di Todizilla The One, itu gue bakal rilis mini album gue juga. Jadi buat teman-teman yang suka punk rock atau pop punk gitu, di follow aja di Spotify, terus tunggu kapan rilisnya, ada di Instagram gue. Kalau di sini sejauh ini gue masih baru bisa sharing koleksi gue, karena untuk lagu, untuk akustikan ya itu yang seperti gue bilang ya, gue takut masalah copyright itu. Gue nggak tahu deh gimana orang-orang yang udah bikin banyak banget tuh, mereka kena copyright apa enggak, gue nggak ngerti ya kok bisa gitu. Karena ya gue juga nggak tahu, tapi itu yang terjadi sama gue. Jadi ya fuck it kan, ya udah gue terima aja. Jadi gue di sini sejauh ini gue cuma bisa sharing koleksi gue. Gue pernah nge-upload film-film gue di sini dan ternyata pada kena copyright semua. Dan karena tadinya nggak kena copyright ya, mungkin karena gue cuma iseng-iseng bikin YouTube-nya, gue nggak terlalu tekunin, gue cuma mau naruh apa ya, gue waktu itu nggak kepikiran apa-apa. Terus pas udah sekarang udah ya thank you deh kalau udah sampai ya, baru belum banyak juga sih sebenarnya followers gue di YouTube channel gue ini, tapi gue mau say thank you yang udah support. Biarpun mungkin kalian juga mungkin nggak terlalu suka dengan koleksi mainan ya mungkin, tapi I really appreciate it banget. Kasih komen, biarpun just say hi for you guys, just say hi to me. Di situ apa lagi ya guys gitu. Oh ya, kalau yang mau lihat film-film aku juga follow Todizilla The One, karena di situ gue masih aktif di dunia persinetronan, masih aktif ya sampai sekarang, masih ada terus. Jadi kalau mau lihat kapan tayang dan segala macem, follow di Instagram aja, karena gue nggak bisa nayangin satu film gue di YouTube gue lagi ya. Jadi tolong ngerti. I guess that's it. This is Todizilla. Peace and out.